On Jamaica's National Labor Day, we honor the resilience and hard work of our people. But true progress begins with peace. In Kingston's Hope Botanical Gardens, a new symbol of harmony has been unveiled, the Peace Pole. This initiative was brought to life by the Rotary Club of St. Andrew in collaboration with Hope Botanical Gardens.
Okay, so the Peace Pole is an important symbol of unity, and it's an important symbol of self-reflection. Rotary recognizes that peace begins within the heart of each individual. Peace cannot exist outside of people. And so a peace pole is an opportunity for persons to come and see the pole and reflect on their own lives and how they deal with their own conflicts that they are facing and how they respond to them.
Celebrated cultural poet Amina Blackwood Meeks played a key role in unveiling this meaningful monument.
So we have an emotional relationship and an emotional investment in this space. I think it is very important that this project, unveiling the Peace Pole, is happening on Labor Day, because so often we forget to labor for ourselves, to labor on our internal construct, and to understand how what we experience internally is going to manifest externally.
Our news team caught up with Jamelia, a member of the Kiwanis Club of St. Andrew, who conceptualized the Peace Garden.
It's a space in which we feel we could invite people to come and relax in a beautiful environment and to come to terms with some of the things that are bothering them. The Peace Garden was put in this area because there are several communities around this part of St. Andrew that we know there are problems, and we have invited them, and they have joined us and will be joining us now and in the future to use this space for conflict resolution.
The Peace Garden, officially opened in 2019, is a serene space designed for conflict resolution, mediation, and stress relief, an oasis of calm amid Kingston's vibrant life.
It's a sanctuary that helps with mental health. It is an area that persons can come and relax, listen to the water flowing from the fountain. There's a labyrinth here that persons can just traverse and just free their minds. The Royal Botanic Gardens Hope itself is a space that lends itself to nature, connecting persons with nature and ensuring that, persons can have a space that they can come, relax, and feel at ease.
As Jamaica celebrates Labor Day, remember, peace is the foundation of progress. Building a stronger, harmonious nation starts with us. I am Marlon Samuels for PBCJ, reminding us that unity and peace are key to Jamaica's future. Happy Labor Day.